A crow was flying over the forest, looking for food. Suddenly, he saw something on the ground. It was a piece of cheese. The crow quickly flew down and picked up the cheese in his beak. He felt very happy. "What a lucky day," he thought. "This cheese looks delicious." He did not want to eat it on the ground because he was afraid other animals might take it. So he flew up into a tall tree and sat on a strong branch. The crow looked at the cheese in his beak. He felt proud. "I am very smart," he thought. "I found this food all by myself." Not far from the tree, a fox was walking slowly. He was very hungry. He had not eaten since the day before. As he walked, he looked around carefully for food. Suddenly, he saw the crow on the branch. Then he noticed the cheese in the crow's beak. "Ah," he thought, "that cheese looks perfect. I really want it." But the fox knew he could not climb the tree or jump high enough. So he started thinking. "I must be clever," he said to himself. "I will use my mind." After a moment, he smiled. He had an idea. The fox walked slowly to the bottom of the tree. He looked up and said in a soft voice,
"Good morning, dear crow. What a beautiful bird you are! Your feathers are so black and shiny. You look amazing. I have seen many birds, but none are as beautiful as you. You are truly special."
The crow felt proud. He thought, "Yes, maybe I am very beautiful." The crow looked down but said nothing. He still had the cheese in his beak. The fox continued.
"I am sure your voice is also beautiful. People say you have a wonderful voice. Is it true? Please, sing a song for me. I would love to hear your voice."
Now the crow felt excited. He wanted to show how good he was. He forgot about the cheese. He lifted his head and opened his beak to sing.
Oh no! My cheese! Thank you, dear crow. That was a very nice song.
The crow felt embarrassed. He had lost his food because of his pride. The fox looked up and said, "Let me give you some advice. Do not trust people who only praise you. Sometimes they have a plan." The crow listened carefully. The fox added, "Kind words are not always honest words." Then he turned and walked away. The crow stayed on the branch, feeling sad, but he understood his mistake. "I was foolish," he thought. "I believed him too easily." From that day on, the crow became more careful. When someone spoke with too much praise, he stopped and thought, "Is this real, or is this a trick?"